Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Loginate. In this video, I will guide you on how to add or remove vehicles from your progressive policy. So if you want to add or remove vehicles from your progressive policy, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, you'll have to go to the official website of Progressive Policy. Open any browser of your choice. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type www.progressive.com. Press enter. Now here you'll be led to the official website of Progressive. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to add or remove vehicles from your Progressive policy, first of all look at top and you can see several options over here. Explore products, claims, about us and resources. All you have to do is click on resources option. Now here this kind of box will pop up, scroll down. And here you can see looking for more resources, contact us. All you have to do is click on contact us. Now you'll be led to this page over here. All you have to do is start the chat. Now you can type. You can see here I just typed I want to remove my vehicle. You can contact them like this and simply click on send. Scroll up and you can see several options over here like call and email. You can also contact them by calling them, or you can even send the email and ask them to add or remove the vehicle. So that is how you add or remove the vehicles from Progressive policy. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.